Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is John, and today I like to say congratulations to myself. I've been investing in the stock market for the last 6 years, and we just broke $10,000. So, a little backstory: I've increased my portfolio by 2,000% all time, which is about $9,726. In the past month, I'm up 67%, and in the past week, I'm up 6%. So today I'd like to go over some of my biggest gainers I have for the last last week of 2024 November, and those stocks will be NRDY, SOUN, AI, SOFI, and Palantir, not Robinhood. Robinhood is also one of my biggest gainers. Quick little tip on Robinhood: it has a direct correlation with cryptocurrency, and you will see as cryptocurrency goes up, the shares of Robinhood will also go up, the share price. That's just something I noticed, something I saw in a video a while back on YouTube, and I'd like to share that with you guys. News on NRDY. So, quick summary on this article. The article is titled NRDY Inc. Analysis Just Cut Their EPS Forecast Substantially. And that's pretty much because NRDY Inc. announced it received a non-compliance notice from the New York Stock Exchange for its Class A stock trading below $1 over 30 days. The company has 6 months to regain compliance, potentially through a reverse stock split. Subject to shareholder approval, this issue doesn't impact operations, reporting, or stock trading for now. NRDY remains financially stable, ending Q3 with $65 million in cash and no debt. The company aims to address the deficiency and maintain its New York Stock Exchange listing. So pretty much what this article is saying is that the stock cannot go below $1, right? NRDY, where that at? So NRDY, it cannot go below $1, and ever since that article came out, which it came out on November 13th, we go back in a month, November 13th, right here. Ever since November 13th, the stock has been constantly on the rise. So that means they got investors, or I'm pretty sure the insiders are buying back shares. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Makes sense because they want to keep that stock price above $1, or else they will have to delist the stock. $65 million in cash and no debt. That sounds great to me. I have a positive outlook on NRDY, and I have a strong feeling it will keep going up in the future. SOUN is the next stock we'll go over. So SOUN, right? Right here we have SOUN's controversial AI agents drive nearly 20% productivity increase at Apivia Cortage contact centers. So Apivia Cortage contact center is pretty much a customer support center, and they're using SOUN to help them receive calls and handle customer service without using actual human beings, right? And controversial because, robots, all that good stuff. The article pretty much summarized is that SOUN AI and Apivia Cortage achieved a milestone with Amelia AI agents handling over 100,000 customer calls in 2024. The partnership improved customer service, reduced employee handled queries by nearly 20%, and optimized support for medical expense and insurance inquiries. Employees gained time to focus on complex tasks, enhancing workforce satisfaction, and the AI technology supports thousands of conversations daily, driving efficiency while maintaining quality interactions. This collaboration highlights the transformative role of AI in business and customer experience. So I'm up 90% on the stock, $571, and my outlook for the stock will continue to be positive because I feel like SOUN AI is filling a very niche spot in the AI revolution, as I like to call it. Not a lot of AI is being put out there to handle customer service. Most AI, like Palantir, they're looking at logistics and infrastructure, while SOUN is looking at the customer service side of that. So my outlook on this stock is positive. I feel like it will keep going up. And let's move on to SOFI and Palantir. So third article we'll go through is that SOFI stock versus Palantir stock. Wall Street expects earnings to soar 48% for one and 115% for the other. And to summarize this article, Palantir and SOFI Technologies have experienced significant stock growth in 2024, driven by strong future earnings projections. Palantir, up 296% this year, is forecasted to grow earnings by 48% in 2025 through its AI and data analysis software. While widely used in sectors like government and counterterrorism, that's what Palantir is invested in, is government and government and counterterrorism sector. SoFi, what can I say about this stock? Right, it's a loaning sort of AI stock. I've seen a lot of ads on it on Instagram lately, so it's looks like they're marketing the stock more. SoFi, up 41%, expects 115% growth, benefiting from diversified fintech services and potential tailwinds like lower interest rates and a favorable student loan market. Analysts debate whether certain valuations align with these ambitious growth expectations. So I bought SoFi at an average cost of $6.97, $7, and I'm up 134% on the stock, $469. All right, I see the stock only going up in the future. Like I said, I've seen a lot of ads out there, so they're putting themselves out there, they're marketing themselves more, and I expect them to receive a lot of new users due to that. Palantir, everyone's hyping up this stock, and you could see why. I'm up 201% on the stock, $3,800. It's big in government and counterterrorism sector. It's looking at improving that through AI technologies, and again, I could only see the stock going upwards in the future, with an expected growth earnings of 48%. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are looking at that. Same with SoFi, they're looking at increasing their earnings by 115%. So those are the stocks I'm deeply invested in currently. On a side note, Robinhood has added realized profit and loss portion in their app, right? So as you can see right here, I've lost $546 year to date, and I've realized my realized profit is $467 in the past month. Go over here, we'll see a little breakdown of that, and this is in the app. This is cool because it helps me keep track of my gains and loss. I didn't keep track of that on an Excel sheet or anything before, so it just gives me a visual of where I'm at with my options trading. Like I said, I lost $1,500 learning this strategy. I'm not here to help teach you guys anything. I'm just here to introduce you guys to this strategy of investing. But it's pretty cool that Robinhood added that. Another feature they added recently to their desktop portion is the Robinhood Legend, and I feel like this is more geared towards day traders. As you can see, you could receive 1 second interval updates on the stock market, and your recent orders and sells will appear over here. And you could add layers and stuff, watch list, charts, positions, recent orders. You could add a lot of stuff, and I feel like that's a really cool thing that Robinhood has added. So that's all I have. Just a little update on the week, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. See you guys next week.